In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set vacation in Google Calendar. This quick walkthrough will help you block off time so colleagues and clients know you are away. And your calendar can automatically handle invitations while you are out. Start by opening Google Calendar. You can begin from the big Create button or simply click directly on the date you plan to be out. From the event types that appear, choose Out of Office. This special event type tells Calendar that you are unavailable and prepares automatic responses for any invitations that land during that period. Next, decide how you want Calendar to handle invitations. You'll see options for automatic declination. Pick whether to decline only new meetings that arrive during your time off, or to decline both existing and new meetings in that window. If you already have meetings scheduled and you won't be attending them, choose the option to decline existing and new events so organizers get a clear heads up. If you are only preventing new bookings while keeping current commitments, choose Decline New Meetings Only. Either way, invitees will receive a polite decline, and your status will be marked as out of office during that time. Now set the duration. Enter a start and end date and, if needed, specific start and end times if you are taking multiple days or don't want to track exact hours. Select All Day. That's perfect for full-day vacations, holidays, or long weekends. If your time off covers only part of a day like a morning or afternoon, use specific hours. Before you confirm, double-check your time zone, especially if you'll be traveling, so your availability reflects local time accurately. Customize the message people receive when they invite you. Keep it concise and helpful. Include your return date, and if appropriate, a general pointer to a shared inbox or team alias. Avoid putting sensitive details in this message. The goal is to provide clarity without oversharing, so colleagues immediately understand when you'll be back and how to proceed. If your schedule follows a pattern, use the repeat options. You can set recurring time off, say, a rotating 4 on or 4 off schedule by choosing a custom recurrence that matches your cycle. Remember that the automatic declination rule you select will apply to every occurrence in that series. Give everything a final review: dates, declination setting, and message, then confirm. Your calendar now clearly shows you are out, and invitations during that window will be handled just the way you chose. That's it for setting vacation in Google Calendar. Enjoy your time away, and thanks for watching.